Okay, so question 4 says a system comprising blocks, a light frictionless pulley, a frictionless incline, and a connecting rope is shown. The 9 kilogram block accelerates downward when the system is released from rest. In figure 5.5, the acceleration of the system is closest to. So they're asking us to find the acceleration of the system. So let's draw out our forces. So our force 1 will consist of the y direction. So we're going to have 9g minus t equals 9a, which is mass times a, which is our a, which is consists mass times acceleration. So this is the same thing as that. In our second equation, we have t minus 6 gravity sin of 30 degrees minus the 4g sin of 30 degrees equals 6a plus 4a, which again, this is mass times acceleration. So let's equal this all together, and then let's combine like terms. When we do this, we get 9g minus 10g sine of 30 equals 19a. This is 9g minus 10 gravity sine of 30 will be 1/2 equals 19a. So 9g minus 5g equals 19a equals out to 4g equals 19a. So for 9.8 minus 10, so 19a. When we solve for divide 19 to isolate, we're isolating a, so we get 9.8 divided by the 19. Once we do that, we get 2.06 meters second squared, or 2.1 meters second squared. So this becomes our answer, which corresponds to D.